My favorite part of corn season is getting a phone call from Mom asking her where her tractor is to help pack bunk.
We look forward to corn season all year long. We've had great foliage the last week or so here. Just been working in the most beautiful place on earth.
When it's over.
What we look forward to is the last load that goes on the bunk, which was about 2 hours ago.
Happy harvest!
Take a drink, bud. That good?
Here's to the harvest. Cheers!
Roses are red, violets are blue.
The water here was higher than you.
Cheers to Harvest 23.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to the harvest.
Back to work. Here's to the harvest of the long 2023 season.
Cheers from Nelson Farms.
Yeah, boy.
Cheers.
Honor the harvest. Thankful for the good weather. Cheers to all the dairy farmers.
So considering the summer and how much rain there was, corn season went fantastic. We didn't have to use the dump wagon at all. We chopped into the trucks and it came off exceedingly well.
Cheers to a safe and happy harvest. Cheers to a healthy, happy, comfortable cows. Lots of milk with good health and good weather. Cheers.
Cheers to a great harvest, great friends, great help, great times.
Cheers.
That was good, huh?